Welcome to Deckhand Logbook, the logbook that works the way you do. This tutorial is a follow-on from previous tutorials for the Spencer Gulf Prawn's electronic logbook in Deckhand. Previous tutorials demonstrated how to generate a trip start report, a shot report, and a grading report. This tutorial will demonstrate a few extra reports that are within the Spencer Gulf Prawn's electronic logbook in Deckhand. On the screen that you see, there is a plus button, which is also called a fab button in Deckhand. Press this plus button now. There are four options you see on the screen. There is edit points, there is catch summary, no activity report, and a TEPS report. The edit points is a feature in Deckhand where you can go and edit your start shot and end shot annotations. The reason why you will do this is in cases where you've accidentally either pressed the start shot button or the end shot button and you haven't completed your shot event, you can go in and edit your points and move those annotations to a location where you believed you either started the shot or you ended your shot. The catch summary can be viewed here by pressing the view button. Press the view button now. This will display the onboard graded catch summary report based on your grading report that you previously generated. It will display your graded catch for your total prawns based on your grades that you selected in your grading report. In the other catch field, if you caught other species such as calamari or bugs or brine, they will be displayed here. Press the close button to close the catch summary report. Click on the plus button again. Now click on the no activity report and press the add button. This will display a no activity report. The no activity report is normally used if you perform no fishing activity during your day or night trip. A no activity report needs to be submitted when this has occurred. The no activity report will display an activity date and whether you've interacted with wildlife interaction. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will select no. Press the confirm button to confirm your no activity report. The other report in the plus button or fab button is called the TEPS report. The TEPS report is the same report that has been demonstrated in the grading tutorial. You can submit a TEPS report without being on a fishing event, such as a shot report or a grading report. You can do this from this section. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will press the cancel button. When you press the cancel button, you are prompted to abort the event. Press yes, abort to abort this event. Now, the last report in the Spencer Gulf Prawns is called the unload report. This report is generated when you are ending your trip. You can generate it by pressing the end trip button. The unload report displays various fields. Most of them are required fields, but there's also an auto field for your date and time. The fields displayed here are called landing port, unload date and time, storing catch, total prawns, total calamari, total bugs, and total brine. Click the tap to select for your landing port field. This will display a list of your landing ports to select. Select the landing port and press done. Or in this case, you could also select it and it automatically fills it. Select yes or no for your storing catch field. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will press yes. An additional field is displayed called stored catch. Click on this field to enter your catch for stored value. You can enter this value in both kilograms and pounds, but as explained in previous tutorials, if you enter a value in pounds, Deckhand will convert the value into kilograms and display as default. Enter a value for stored catch. Enter a value for total prawns. Again, you can enter in both kilograms and pounds, but kilograms will be the defaulted value. Enter a value for total calamari. Note, if you've caught no calamari, 0 is a valid value. Enter a value for total bugs. Again, 0 in this case, if you've caught no bugs, can be a valid value. Enter a value for total brine. As the other species, if brine was not caught, 0 is also a valid value. Once this report is complete with all the fields, press the confirm button. You are now prompted to enter your PIN to finish your trip. Enter your PIN and press enter. You have now ended your trip and returned back to the Deckhand homepage. On the left hand side, you will see your list of activity events that need to be submitted to the servers. You can do this by selecting each one and pressing the submit button. Prior to submitting, you could also go back and edit any of them by pressing the edit button. Thank you for visiting Deckhand and this tutorial. Deckhand, the logbook that works the way you do.